Hey everyone, here we have another La Pavoni, which means another stiff handle, some leaking from the sight glass, and bubbling around the thermostat. So we just took her apart, replaced gaskets, lubed everything up, and as you'll see, she's working like a charm. So let's lift this lever here. There we go. Let water into the group head. And let's run a shot. And there it comes. It's coming out relatively slow. That has a lot to do with our coffee grounds. It grinds really fine here at our shop, so it's a little harder for water to move through, but as you can see, when it does come out, it's beautiful. It's about a 1 ounce shot for La Pavonis, which is standard, but really good crema, really good color. Yeah, and just an overall good shot. La Pavonis are some of our favorite machines. So there you have it. Thank you for watching this video. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this every day. Thanks.